Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about FundedNext and FTMO, and I will help you to decide which prop trading firm is better to choose in 2025. So let's start with FTMO. FTMO is one of the most established proprietary trading firms. It offers funded accounts for Forex and indices traders. They use a two-step evaluation process with solid risk rules, and their support system is very responsive. On the other hand, FundedNext is a rising competitor, offering a flexible models including instant funding options and revenue sharing up to 90%. In 2025, it introduced several trader-friendly updates, including bi-weekly payouts and a scaling plan. So let's compare them in detail. Number 1, evaluation process. FTMO uses a strict two-phase challenge, while FundedNext offers both evaluation and instant funding models. FundedNext Express model skips evaluation altogether, which is great for experienced traders. Number 2, their profit split. FundedNext leads with a 90% profit share, compared to FTMO's 80%. However, FTMO has a long-term credibility and a proven payout history, which builds traders' trust. Number 3, rules and flexibility. FTMO is known for strict rules like 5% daily drawdown, while FundedNext offers more flexibility with better risk parameters, especially for swing traders and scalpers. Number 4, platform and assets. FTMO supports MT4, MT5, and C trader with a wide asset range, while FundedNext also supports major platforms but is adding crypto and indices support more aggressively in 2025. Number 5, their payout speed and scaling. FundedNext offers payouts every 14 days, while FTMO pays monthly. Both firms offer scaling, but FundedNext's plan is easier to qualify for. Number 6, support and community. FTMO has a massive trader base and one of the best educational hubs, while FundedNext is catching up with a fast and active community and one-on-one support. So if you want reliability and structure, FTMO is still a safe bet. But if you prefer higher flexibility, quicker payouts, and more earning potential, FundedNext might be the better choice in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.